Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to use Claude Code in Intellij. First, open your browser and go to platform.claude.com. On the left side, click Manage, then click API Keys. Next, click Create Key on the right side. Name your key. I'll type Example. Click Add, then Copy Key. Finally, click Close. Now your API key is ready. Open Intellij on your Windows PC. Click New Project. Give your project a name. Under JDK, choose the version you want and download it if needed. Click Create and wait for Intellij to set up your project. Right-click your project, then click New File. Name the file pom.xml and press Enter. Open the file and paste the code I've included in the description. Next, right-click pom.xml on the left side and click Add as Maven Project. Wait for Maven to download the dependencies. Now, reload the Maven project. Right-click pom.xml and select Reload Project. Or in the Maven tool window on the right, click the refresh icon. Wait until Maven finishes downloading OK HTTP and Jackson jars. Open your Java code. Make sure the imports are correct, with no red underlines. Import OK HTTP3.star. Import com.fastener.jackson.databind.object Replace the placeholder in your code. Private static final string API underscore key equals your Claude API key. Paste your actual Claude API key here. Set the endpoint. Private static final string API underscore URL equals https://api.anthropic.com/v1/messages. Create the request body. String JSON body equals open curly brace model Claude-3, max underscore tokens 100, messages open bracket open curly brace role user content hello Claude close curly brace close bracket close curly brace. Add headers and build the request. Request equals new request.builder.url API underscore URL .post request body.create JSON body.media.parse application/JSON.add header x-API-key API underscore key .add header anthropic-version 2023-06-01.build. Finally, right-click your Java file and select Run your class name. If everything is correct, you'll see JSON output from Claude. And that's it. You've successfully set up and run Claude Code in Intellij. Now you can start interacting with Claude right from your Java project. Please like and subscribe.